Welcome to UpCrowdMe, the most powerful wealth-generating machine on the internet right now. We have been live for 24 days and we are in over 50 countries around the world. We have gone viral, and it all starts with just $5. We have built a program that is 100% member-centric. What do we mean by member-centric? We mean that we have built this program from the ground up with you in mind and not the company. For one donation of $5, you will unlock access to our private Facebook group and a suite of social media software that will help drive donors to you on autopilot 24/7, as well as access to our library of marketing materials for you to use on social media and all across the internet. Every member that joins you in UpCrowdMe and donates $5 could also give you $20, $100, $200, $500, and even $1,000 donations. That's right, every single member could donate as much as $1,825 to you. UpCrowdMe is a 2-pass-up system. What does that mean? Well, a 2-pass-up system simply means that once you get involved and start sharing your link, the very first member that you refer to UpCrowdMe gets passed up to your beneficiary. The second person that you bring in stays with you. And the third person that you bring in also gets passed up to your beneficiary. Your pass-ups will now make all of their donations to their beneficiary. From that moment on, you and your second person break away and become your own independent funding line. And now, every single member that you bring in after that stays with you. Each one of those members are going to give you their first and third, who in turn are going to give you their first and third. So now every member that you bring in becomes 2, who become 4, and those 4 become 8. That is the power of duplication. We have created a system that will duplicate over and over and over again. Once the machine starts churning, and it all starts with a $5 donation today. Once you make your $5 donation, we will give you access to the Facebook friending software to get you started. This is your UpCrowdMe dashboard or members area. You will be able to track things that happen live in real time right here on your members dashboard. It's a great place to be. It's a great place to find and access information, and we think that you're going to spend a lot of time here. So with all that being said, we want to welcome you to the UpCrowdMe family. Get started right now by clicking the Donate $5 Now button, and let's change the world together.